Ding dong, eBay calling. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a fun eBay purchase. Ow, I caught my finger in the scissors. When they have make offer, I'm telling you, I do, and I always start low, and I'm always surprised when they're like, yep. And this was one of those. I bought a Kirsten doll, AG, 18-inch American Girl, because I want her behind a kick sled with a dog. And I already have a kick sled, which is different than a dog sled. It looks just like a dog sled, only different. These are from Sweden or Switzerland? Which, Darren?
Sweden.
Is it? Are they originally from Sweden?
Norwegian.
Yeah, Norwegian kick sleds, which Swedish people would have had.
Norway.
Yeah, it does have the hookup for the dog. This is actually how, well, I mean, it's not sewn, but that is actually how you hook your dog team to a dog sled. And you do it like this, and you go around the handle bow. This is called a handle bow, not a handlebar. So that if this breaks, you have a second, and hopefully it'll catch them, and you'll notice your line's going like this, and you can stop before your whole thing is going sideways and you're crashing and etc. Kristen actually uses this as a kick sled and with a Siberian Husky. Kirsten has a lot of stuff, and I want it all. So she is at the post office. She came while the snow was on the ground. Isn't that cute? They even have the little, I mean, this is exact. Darren and I saw a lot of these at sprint races, and it's very authentic, very authentic. I love it. Anyway, Kristen, my doll that I also did a make offer on, is at the post office. She came during the storm, and our driveway is 1/3 mile, and it wasn't shoveled, so they took it back to the post office. We have to go pick her up. This is incredible. I can't wait to show you these together, and I'm also working on an outfit for her. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.